Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. I'm here to take you through this park here in Rochester, New York. No, a whole lot of Rochester, as a matter of fact. This one here is in Rochester, Minnesota, and it's almost dead center of the state, definitely south of Minneapolis. But we'll take you through this park and let you know what kind of setups they have here. A little bit about this park, and maybe maybe even take you to the showers. So we're gonna go check out the facilities here real quick and show what this park's all about, just in case you're in this area. You might want to come see this park, so come along with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life RV Park Review Edition. As you can see here, they've got several different types of setups. There's lots of back ends, and there's some pull-throughs. In fact, we're going to pull through right now. I'll show you our setup. So everything's a little spread out. Sewer, of course. Get your 50-amp plug here. Everything's in really good condition. I say 50. Of course, it's 50, 30, and the 110. And of course, they got the water. This is their picnic area, but all sites are not created equal. Luckily, we're just here one night because our site looks like this. Our site just so happens does not have a picnic table and has all these giant, electrical appliances here. So I guess if we wanted to sit out there, we could sit out there in front. This is probably one of the worst sites ever. However, again, like I said, we're only here one night, so whatever. My only complaint about that is going to be, this is what I've got, and this is what he's got, and we're paying the same price. So it's like, does it fit the bill? Yeah, but something just ain't right there. But anyway, here's one of their back end sites here. I could fit in here. I definitely couldn't back my trailer in here and fit in here at the same time. The business is over there. You can hear the interstate just a little bit. Once you close your doors and you run something that you need to run, like a sound deafening machine like I do. I run one of those little noise machines at night, a little static machine, so I didn't have a problem at all with the sound. Let's go check out this building. Looks like they got a little seating area here. Looks like a maintenance shed maybe there. There's a laundry facility down here. I believe it's right down here in the center. So let's go on inside. That's toward their maintenance area, I think, is what this is. Oh, that door's locked, so it's locked. I ain't breaking in. They do have showers here, so there's 4 stalls, and they all look like this basically. Recently renovated. About as nice as some showers at home. I like that. Let's see what the handicap one looks like. Let me turn this light off because I turned it on before. Looks just like the other one. Okay. And they got a laundry facility here. Looks like that one's broke down. $1.75 to wash. Looks like $1.75 to dry. Not half bad. I should have told the wife that about last night. She could have done our larger items. We do that a lot. We use a laundromat for quilts and stuff like that. But okay. This place here is called the Rally Room. I think is what it is. Is if you've got reservations or something, you got a group coming in, you can then use this clubhouse as a place to meet. So that's what it's got inside, but it's not really open to the public other than that. So anyway, might be a good place for a rally, I suppose. Now that side over there, as you can see where I'm at, places in the center really don't have many trees, unlike this side here. You got some pull-throughs with large trees. Kind of reminds me of a state park almost. Got so many of them in here. And this building here is the office. Well, look at what I found here at the office. The laundry room, 2 and 2. Nice. Makes it a little more convenient for the people staying at this end of the park. Beautiful day. Really is. Maybe I can get that to come in and focus. Isn't that pretty? All right. I'm kind of spying on it a little bit. I really didn't want to go in there and do a bunch of videotaping, but looks like they got storage up around that side there. And got a field over there, and got the so if you come in late at night, you're going to find your information is going to be on this board here, which where they put us in 70, and it gives you some rates, shows you a map of the park, but you also get this piece of paper here which has got a map of the park on it. So not a bad overnight setup, I suppose. And it looks like the RV storage there to the left. They do have trash dumpsters right there next to the office. Which the office is behind me. They have about 92 sites here, give or take, depending on which ones are available, which ones are not. I say available as in they're not broke down. I didn't see any that were broke down, so I guess they got 92 that are functioning. But I also didn't go around the entire park. But it is kind of unusual. There's back ends, pull throughs, back ends, pull throughs, back ends for the whole row all the way down. But I can definitely hear a little more traffic here. I think it's somewhat of a four-way state highway is on the other side of that set of trees. That set of trees right there. So you can definitely hear that. Nice facility. I wish the big room here had a pool table. It was actually an activities room instead of just a meeting place room for rallies, but that's okay. I did book this place on a pinch. We were slated to go to one park, and we had a little mishap with the tire on our trailer. See that in another video. And anyway, it was delaying us. So anyway, ended up booking this the night before. Did it all. I called them and did the booking over the phone. And so when I got here, my packet, all my information was ready. I will say this: as working at a park, one thing I cannot stand is someone to pull in after hours. They call the person on call and say, "Do you have a spot open?" You know dang good and well 5 hours ago you knew you were coming this area. You knew 5 hours ago you would probably be here. I mean, it happened a lot at the last park I was in, and I wasn't happy at all. I needed to say no, but the manager wouldn't let me. But anyway, be sure to like and subscribe. My pet peeve, sorry, get off that soapbox. So be sure to like and subscribe, and send this to your friends who are interested in possibly staying at a park. I like this park. I don't have a problem with it. A little pricey, $61 a night for a pull through. It's a little bit on the pricier side, but anyway, such is the world we live in. And I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, as I said, because I need to get back out here living the coolest life. RV Park Review Edition.